a doorway to other dimensions. They were traveling through some sort of energetic portal, an unexplained disappearance. The idea that all of a sudden they would just vanish into thin air? There's something going on. And a cave said to be the gateway to hell. Even today, any birds that approach it fall down dead. Is it possible that portals to other points in the universe truly exist here on Earth? And might these so-called Stargates actually connect us to alien civilizations? It's possible that we were created by these ancient gods who arrived here through Stargates, and they intended for us to one day join them in the stars. Perhaps today is that day. Millions of people around the world believe we have been visited by extraterrestrial beings in the distant past. What if it's true? Did ancient aliens really help shape our history? And if so, might we find proof by exploring Earth's stargates? Pamukkale, Turkey. 200 miles south of Istanbul lie the ruins of Hierapolis, an ancient city sacred to the Phrygians in the 3rd century BC. In March 2013, Italian archaeologists announced a discovery. The ancient Greeks described this cave as a gateway to hell. The Greeks and Romans were fascinated with the underworld, the realm of Hades and Pluto. Many stories tell of travelers venturing into these unseen realms, surviving encounters with death and returning as heroes. According to the Greek geographer Strabo, this cave, now partially sealed, was known as a Plutonian, or Pluto's Gate. It was considered so sacred that only specially appointed priests could approach. These priests worshipped the powerful goddess Cybele, known as the guardian of gateways. Cybele stood at the gate to the otherworld. To reach other realms of time and space, you needed her permission. Ancient cultures worldwide told of secret entryways, similar to Pluto's Gate, that led to the lands of gods, portals not only granting instant travel beyond Earth's confines, but also beyond space and time. According to some myths, otherworldly beings used them. Ancient accounts describe advanced beings, star beings, passing through portals or star doors, what we today call stargates. A stargate is a place that enables travel to distant planets or stars. Numerous ancient sites are thought to be stargates. Are these portals just myths, or could they have actually existed in the ancient world? If so, who or what created such advanced technology thousands of years ago? Some ancient astronaut theorists believe clues lie in the rituals once performed at the Plutonian in Turkey. The Greek historian Strabo wrote that priests of Cybele conducted ceremonial sacrifices. They led a bull into the cave, and onlookers watched it succumb to deadly vapors. Yet the priests emerged unharmed, proof of their divine protection, and that this indeed was the gate to hell. Recent excavations confirm deadly carbon dioxide gases still rise from the cave floor. Animals die if they get too close. But how did priests survive? Was there secret knowledge, or even a stargate, given to them by an otherworldly being called Cybele? At Pamukkale's Plutonian, ancient astronaut theorists suggest that something beyond deadly gas was at work. Perhaps the priests guarded hidden technology, an interdimensional stargate. Their frightening rituals kept people away. Could Pluto's Gate really have been an extraterrestrial stargate? If so, why were similar stories told halfway around the world? Machu Picchu, Peru, 50 miles northwest of Cusco, nestled in the Andes, is a 15th century Inca site. On its southwestern corner is the Temple of Three Windows, a stone hall with 3 trapezoidal openings in one wall. Scholars say the windows align with the June solstice sunrise and symbolize the Inca creation myth. According to legend, the children of the sun god Viracocha stepped into the world through 3 mysterious openings in a mountain, giving rise to Inca civilization. If these windows represent portals, some theorists suggest they could be stargates. The children of the sun, advanced solar beings, possessed stargate technology, they say. Perhaps Inca stories recall extraterrestrial visitors who used portals to teach civilization's first steps. Princeton, New Jersey, July 1935. Physicists Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen propose Einstein-Rosen bridges, wormholes connecting distant points, making rapid interstellar travel possible. Wormholes, if they exist, would be space-time shortcuts. Creating wormholes with our current technology is unimaginable. Exotic matter might be the key, but it's beyond our reach. Still, Some scientists believe wormholes might have formed naturally during the Big Bang. If so, advanced beings could have harnessed them long ago. Paquim, Mexico. At the Paquime or Casas Grandes archaeological site, stories passed down by the Tarahumara people tell of star people, described as tall, light, and blonde. They allegedly emerged from doorways in the ruins, T-shaped openings similar to the Amaru Muru doorway of the gods in Peru. Both sites share legends of beings passing through portals. Could these T-shaped doorways have functioned as stargates for extraterrestrial visitors? Sargasso Sea, Atlantic Ocean. The sea without shores is notorious for strange vanishings. Ships drift intact, but crews vanish. The 1840 Rosalie and other vessels, even planes, have disappeared. Some theorize natural wormholes or portals are to blame. Similarly, the Bermuda Triangle overlaps this region, with more unexplained vanishings. Michigan Triangle, Lake Michigan. This freshwater area is also plagued by bizarre disappearances. In 1937, a ship captain vanished from a locked cabin. In 1950, a Northwest Airlines flight with 58 people vanished without a trace. UFO sightings over these waters suggest alien technology or stargates might be at work beneath the waves, hidden from human eyes. Bugarac, France, 2012. During Mayan apocalyptic fears, thousands flocked to Mount Bugarac, believing aliens beneath the mountain would save them. Rumors persist of extraterrestrial bases inside the mountain, ancient entities guarding interdimensional portals. Mount Shasta, California. Native myths say humankind emerged from inside this mountain after a cataclysm. UFO sightings are common. Could alien beings still reside in hidden mountain bases? Across the globe, we find legends of sacred mountains, underwater anomalies, and ancient temples linked to gods and star beings. Ancient astronaut theorists suggest these stories recall real interactions with extraterrestrials who came through stargates. Modern science now ponders wormholes and Mark's principle, hinting that interstellar travel could become a reality. If stargates truly exist, perhaps our ancestors knew more than we realize. They left clues in myths, monuments, and sacred sites. As we edge closer to understanding wormholes, we may rediscover these portals and reconnect with alien civilizations, fulfilling an ancient cosmic plan.